Dennis Keith Lillee, M.B. is a former Australian cricketer rated as the outstanding fast bowler of his generation. Lillee formed a new ball partnership with Jeff Thomson, which is recognized as one of the greatest bowling pairs of all time. In the early part of his career, Lillee was an extremely fast bowler, but a number of stress fractures in his back almost ended his career. Taking on a strict fitness regime, he fought his way back to full fitness, eventually returning to international cricket. By the time of his retirement from international cricket in 1984, he had become the then world record holder for most Test wickets and had firmly established himself as one of the most recognizable and renowned Australian sportsmen of all time. In a fan poll conducted by the California in 2017, he was named in the country's best Ashes eye of the previous 40 years. On 17 December 2009, Lillee was inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. Aged 20, Lillee made his first-class debut for Western Australia in 1969-70 and impressed with his raw pace. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.